Hey everybody, this is Super Fine out here at Davis Overbrook. I'm going to check out these boats that are out here. There's a lot of people fishing out here. It's starting to get a little chilly and a little windy, but nevertheless, trying to catch that elusive walleye. Today's date, April the 8th, 2022. It's about 42, 43 degrees, and it is a little windy. It's starting to pick up. So for you people who are not familiar to the area, this is not a bad spot if you got a boat. It's pretty, water's higher over here and less potentials of hitting rocks as where everybody else is standing out in yonder. But I just want to give these anglers some kudos because they come out here in the cold. Some get into the water. Even if they got their waders on, it's still got to be cold. So it's pretty awesome. If any one of you guys out there see yourselves on my YouTube channel, by all means leave me a comment. It's nice to hear. But this is just wanted to show everybody there's people fishing. This is going to go for about 3 weeks. 3 weeks until the 3rd week of April. So you still have time to get out here. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me out. Gives me the motivation to go ahead and come out here and do what I do. It's a lot of peace for me. So with that, good luck everybody. Godspeed. And as always, and I do mean always,